Unboxing Yamaha NS-777 floor standing speakers. Three-way, 4-speaker Bass-Reflex floor standing speaker system weighs 24.4 kilograms per unit. With dimensions 276 by 1100 by 390 mm and impedance of 6 ohms. Nominal input power of 100 watt and maximum input power of 250 watt. Sensitivity of 89 dB per 2.83 volts per 1 meter. Frequency response 30 Hz to 35 kHz. Beautiful Yamaha piano finish with elegant elliptical form. High sensitivity and wide dynamic range for contemporary digital sources. Mid-range driver of 13 cm cone with waveguide horn, which allows the sound field to be shaped and controlled for optimal spatial expression in home theater environments. High frequency response dome tweeter of 2.5 cm aluminium dome with waveguide horn, which delivers clear, natural highs. Polymer-injected mica diaphragm cone woofer combines high-performance materials and design for extreme accuracy. Crossover frequencies of 1 kHz to 4 kHz. By wiring connectivity with highest quality internal monster cable wiring. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.